Hello there, my name's Suzanne from Nonstop Papercrafts. Welcome to my channel. Thank you very much for joining me today, and thank you if you joined me last time where I created this journal. So this is my ideas journal, so any videos that I do, I'll be putting all my prototypes in here. What we're going to be looking at today is this little prototype. So these are little dangles that I have coming off of my ruffled tabs. Okay, so just a cute little dangle, nice and simple. Got another one down here. I actually saw these on a pin on Pinterest, but when I clicked on it to kind of see how they put them together, it said user not found. So I wasn't taken to a video or a blog post or anything to kind of see how they were made, but they're really not rocket science. They are so simple. So this is going to be a really quick video. Obviously the last one with the making of this journal was about 40 minutes, so quite a long one. This one is going to be super short. So I'm just going to zoom you in so you can get a closer look. Okay, now as I say, this is super easy. All you need are some paper clips. These are just sort of the standard, I think it's 33 millimeters paper clip size, so it's just the standard ones that you would normally get. Some scrap bits of paper, so yay, using up scraps. And a glue stick. You can use wet glue if you like as well. It doesn't matter, you only need a little bit really. So all you do is, let's select a scrap, so let's use this dark piece of paper. You just need to tear a strip that would obviously be thin enough to leave you a bit of a gap at either end of your paper clip. So if I'm going to tear this, I might start tearing it about there, so that where my paper clip is, as you can see, I've got a ring then at both ends. Okay, so you just tear a strip. It doesn't have to be particularly long, it just needs to be able to wrap around a couple of times. Okay, so something that size. Okay, not very big at all. And then all you do is where obviously you've got the longer edge here, so obviously this one's cut short where it hooks on to the page, but this long edge, all I did was slide my piece of paper in there. And now I'm just going to put a bit of glue along this strip. Okay, and then all you do is move it into place. So like I said, you need to have a little bit on either side. Fold it over. And then all you do now is just wrap. So again, just making sure that you've got a little bit of metal on either side. Just continue wrapping, and then when you've got kind of a little bit left at the end, all I do is just add glue to that part. And then wrap it around. And that is your charm. That's your dangle done. Easy peasy. Let's do one more. Oh. So this time I might use some music paper, and you can use anything you like. It could be book page, music paper, any spare scrap paper, anything really. Obviously, like I say, a brilliant way to use up some scraps. If like this bit, so this is quite a fragile piece of music paper because it's quite an old one, so obviously where I've got this crease here, I can feel that it is quite weak there. So what I'll do is when I start wrapping, when I get to this bit, I'll apply some extra glue just to make sure obviously then it does stick. But obviously when it's all kind of rolled around, it will hold it in place anyway. Okay, let's have a look. I may need to tear that down just a little bit more. So again, just on that long edge, make sure that there's a little bit of a gap, and then glue that. Fold it over, and then it's just rolling. Right, so where it's a bit weak, I'm just, like I say, adding a bit of glue. Oh, try not to tear it when I glue. Go, and then add glue to this last little bit. Okay, and there's a music sheet one. Okay, so again, really simple, super quick. Now you could just keep them like that. I did also have a little bit of a play, and where's the other one? So I started adding some beads to them as well. So obviously you can have it hooked onto your dangle at the top, and then this is then the bottom. And I did one with a different coloured bead somewhere. Oh, there it is, I can see it. So that one's with a kind of little metal bead. Another alternative to a single bead at the bottom could be adding a little dangle. So I had some old broken up jewellery, and I just selected a few and then put them on the end. So each of them now has a little dangle to go with it as well. So that's another option. Yep, so you can play around. Obviously you can put words on here, you can stamp. They are obviously quite small, but even just having a partial bit of text or something on there, a text stamp, you can do whatever you like really to kind of decorate them up. But they are just so cute, and as I say, so quick and easy to do. And like I said, using up scraps, which is great. Paper clips, most people have, like I say, even the standard size ones. Obviously if you have the giant ones, you can make really big ones of these, just obviously your strip will be wider. But yeah, very quick, very easy, and they look great dangling off a journal. I really hope that you found this useful. If you did, please click like. If you would like to see more videos about different crafty ideas for your journals, then please click the subscribe button and the bell just so you're notified of any new videos. You can find me on social media. All the links will be in the description below. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a lovely crafty day. Bye bye.